Let us revise the chapter linear equations in two variables, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. Here the main content of the chapter. First we want to know the general form of the equations. Here two equations will be there, we know, since it is a pair of linear equations. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers, such that a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0 and a2 square plus b2 square not equal to 0. So these are the main conditions. Then we know linear equations are representing straight lines in a graph. Since if we want to draw these equations in a graph, we will get three types of straight lines. First one, the two lines will intersect at one point. Since first equation and second equation representing two lines, first condition is the two lines will intersect at one point. Second condition, the two lines are parallel. And third one, the two lines will be coincident each other. How we can identify without drawing the graph these three conditions? Either they will intersect, or they will coincident, or they will be parallel. How we can identify the three conditions? So let us do using the ratio of the coefficients. By finding the coefficients, that means a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. There will be a relation between each one, and we can check when the two lines will intersect, when the two lines will be parallel, and when the two lines will coincident each other. Okay, so we will find out taking the ratio of the coefficients of these pair of linear equations, how we can identify the solutions of these equations. First one, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Then these equations have unique solutions. That means they will intersect only at one point. And the nature of system, it is consistent. That means at least one solution will be for these type of equations. Consistent equations must have at least one solution. And if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, that means constant terms, ratio of the constant terms will be differ from ratio of the coefficients of x and y, then the nature of system will be inconsistent and this equation have no solution. That means they are parallel to each other. Then third one, a1 by e2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then they are consistent and dependent. That means infinitely many solutions for these equations. Consistent and dependent. So these are the main idea, and we want to solve these equations and find out which type of solutions will be each of the equations. Let us do some questions for revising this chapter. Let us look into the first one. The graph of x plus 3 equal to 0 is a line, whether it is parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis, that we want to find. Here x plus 3 equal to 0, so x is equal to negative 3. So we studied if x is equal to k is a line parallel to y-axis. X equal to a constant which is a line parallel to y-axis. So x plus 3 equal to 0 is a line parallel to y-axis. And what about the second one? The graph of y plus 7 equal to 0. The opposite of the first question. Y plus 7 equal to 0. So y is equal to negative 7. Y equal to negative 7. X equal to a constant. It is a line parallel to y-axis. So y equal to a constant is a line which is parallel to x-axis. So y equal to negative 7 is a line which is parallel to x-axis, or y plus 7 equal to 0 is a line which is parallel to x-axis. Then third one, the two lines are parallel to each other, then the system of equations has, whether it has solution or not. Since they are parallel, the system of equation has no solution. Since they are parallel, they will not intersect each other. That means the system of equations has no solution. The fourth one, the two lines are parallel to each other. The system of equation is consistent or inconsistent. So they are parallel, that means they are inconsistent. That is, these equations inconsistent. The system of equations is inconsistent. Let us move into the next questions. Here, the fifth one, the system of equations 2x minus 7y equal to 4, negative 4x plus 40y minus 8 equal to 0 is dependent equation or coincident equation. The system of equations 2x minus 7y equal to 4, negative 4x plus 14y minus 8 equal to 0 is inconsistent, consistent. For that, we want to find the ratio of the coefficients. So 2x, a1 is 2. So a1 by a2, that is 2 by negative 4 equal to negative 1 by 2. Then b1 by b2 equal to negative 7 by 14 equal to negative 1 by 2. Then c1 by c2. Here c1 by c2 equal to negative 4 by negative 8 equal to 1 by 2. So here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. That means the equation is a inconsistent. That is, the system of equations is inconsistent since they are parallel to each other. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Then sixth one, the equations 3x plus 7y equal to 8 and negative 3x plus 6y equal to 3 has how many solutions for this equation? For that, A1 by A2, that is 3 by negative 3 equal to negative 1. B1 by B2 equal to 7 by 6. C1 by C2 equal to negative 8 by negative 3 equal to 8 by 3. Are they equal? No, they are different. That means this equation representing intersecting lines, that means this equation has unique solution. Seventh one, 5x minus 7y equal to 2 is one equation of a pair of dependent linear equations. Then the other equation from the given set, we want to find the equation which is dependent to the given equation. That means 5x minus 7y is equal to 2. How we can find? That means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Let us find. Here 5 by, first one let us check, 5 by negative 10 and negative 7 by negative 14. So these are different. So we don't want to take it. Then whether this one 5 by negative 10, negative 1 by 2, negative 7 by 14, also negative 1 by 2. But here negative 2 by negative 4, c1 by c2, that is not equal to a1 by a2. And the third one, 5 by negative 10, negative 1 by 2. negative 7 by 40, negative 1 by 2, negative 2 by 4 is negative 1 by 2. So which one is correct? So negative 10x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. Since if you are moving 2 to opposite side, it becomes minus 2 equal to 0. That is the general form. So after finding a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, we got all three ratios are equal. That means they are dependent and consistent equations. So this is the way we can find out the system of equations and solutions of equation and nature of equations. Okay. Graph of x plus 7 is equal to negative y. Which type of equation? Is it parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis, or whether it is a slant line like that? So here how we can find out? X plus 7. X plus 7 is equal to negative y. So we can write x plus y equal to negative 7. If we are giving different values for x, we will get different values for y. Then we will get a line. That means it is a slanted straight line. Roughly we can find out. Since if it is negative 1, it is negative 6. If it is 0, it is negative 7. So after plotting the points, we will get it will be a slanted straight line. That means x plus 7 is equal to negative y, representing a slanted straight line. Then ninth one, the pair of linear equations 2x equal to 3y minus 5, 2y equal to 3x minus 4, whether it has a unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solutions. For that, first we want to convert this into general form. So 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, and here minus 3x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. From this, we can say that 2 by negative 3 equal to negative 3 by 2 not equal to 5 by 4. That means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. That means this contained infinitely many solutions. That is 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, negative 3x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Here 2 by negative 3, negative 3 by 2, 5 by 4. They are not equal to each other. That is 2 by negative 3 not equal to negative 3 by 2. That is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. That means these equations representing intersecting lines. That means it has unique solution. Then last one, pair of linear equations in the two unknowns is consistent. Consistent means at least one solution. So either it intersecting lines or coincident lines. At least one solutions for consistent equations, so that lines will be coincident each other or intersecting at one point. So children, practice all these type of questions and try to score maximum marks. Thank you.